Hello there. So let's create a video in Higgsfield AI. First thing you're going to do right now is make sure that you're logged into the website. In here, click on the create option, or should be on the upper left corner. If you hover your mouse in there, you're going to have 4 options. Create an image, create a video, a speak, and UGC. We're going to go for the normal one, which is going to be video. In here, you're also going to have some choices. If you want to make it under speak, UGC builder, or the video simple right there. Now for this one, you're going to have a lot of steps here. First, upload a photo. For example, I'm going to upload that guy right there that I got from Pixabay. You can also add an end frame. That's going to be optional. But for now, I'm going to retain it as it is. So for the prompt, I'm going to type in here a smiling guy. Simple as that. I can click enhance right here to make sure this prompt would be much more better. For the model, you can choose for the Higgsfield light for the plan that I have right now. In here, I can change it for duration, for example 3 seconds, 5 seconds, it depends for the seconds on how many credit you have. Basically for that one, for the mix, you can choose from the templates they have there. For example, that right there, sandstorm, duplicate, and the works. So for now, I'm going to click it as it is, remain it as general, and basically click on this one if you're done editing and wait for it to finish. So I'm not going to click on it for now because I do not have any credits anymore. They will refresh tomorrow 24 hours. And that should do it.